All right, here we go. Today's money box design is Easy Triangle Box Bottom by Dr. Fu. That's me. It's going to be an equilateral triangle box bottom with little decoration points at the bottom. So if you're going to make a triangle box, 3 sides, you need 4 panels. 3 sides equals 4 panels. If you're going to make 5-sided, it equals 6 panels. See the previous videos for all the techniques in this one too. So then that gives you 39 millimeters for the side because the dollar bill is 156 millimeters divided by 4 is 39. So each side is 39 millimeters. So you draw that line because you can change the shape and the sizes only if you draw the line down here. It won't work so good. But as long as you go up this way, it's fine. So then you have 3 sides, 180 degrees to divide, gives you 60. So you measure a 60-degree angle from right here to up there. Actually, that's 30. I wrote the number in the wrong spot. You measure 60 here to here. All right. So now it's correct. And then that's your design. So what you do is we're going to make the box bottom. So this lines up with there. That's that corner. And we want to angle right there. And we want to crease right here. So we've got to get this 21 millimeter embedded in the dollar. 21 is 1 millimeter shy of 1/3 of the bill because 22 plus 22 plus 22 equals 66, and that's how tall it is. So we're going to fold it in thirds, which is right underneath the serial number. So just try to get that nice and straight, crease it down really well. And then fold the other edge down and over. So now you've just divided the bill into thirds the easy way. It's pretty accurate. It's not perfect. So now open up the $1 section, fold that one on the inside. And then, I'm sorry about that. So then what we do is fold in half with this on the inside. Yeah. You fold in half. And then you fold these edges in, dividing into fourths. So crease everything really well. And then flip over. Fold this double-sided part down a little bit. And where these vertical creases are, now we're going to make that angle fold. This is that line, and this is the edge of the bill. So just grab this edge and keep swinging it around until this makes a point right here, lining up with the edge of the paper. And you fold this over and you get your little point. So that's the part that's going to stick out on the bottom. I didn't draw it exactly right because I haven't made it yet. And I just put those on there real quick. So you see how that is the same as that. And so now you just duplicate that in this panel. So you go from this corner and you're lifting this edge and make sure that crease stays creased like that. And you bring it around until this rolling edge gets all the way over to that crease. And you just give it a little pinch if you don't know the other techniques. And so now I softly close that down. You can flip it over and just run your fingernail or your folding tool along that. Same as this one. We just didn't do it. Now you do 2 more of those. So we're bringing this raised crease, and you can use this edge too. See, it comes all the way around to the next panel. So this is really the hardest part, is making these folds. I would guess this is what makes this box easy. I mean, you divide in fourths. Now in this one, you just fold over from this point to here. So I've got that point. I've got this one. Make sure they both stay as I'm squeezing it down. And then crease that one. Did we crease this one hard? Yeah. Okay. So now what you do is you just make the triangle, and you put this flap in that hole, or you put this flap in that hole. And the reason I say or is sometimes the sides are a little bit different, and you just want to get the one that fits in furthest. So that one fits in all the way. Let's just check the other one for fun. And that one fits in all the way. So you can choose which side you want out. I'm going to get rid of the seeing eye there. And tuck this one in. So this is the top of your box. And now you've got these 3 little triangle folds. You just pull those down. Start with the one with the overlap. Pull that down. Put your finger right there. Put that one down. Put that one down. It almost just folded itself. That's why we pre-fold. So now all you do is set this down on a flat surface. Put your finger inside and move it along the creases a little bit. Now, it's perfectly good box like this. It doesn't stay super tight, but it's good. It's pretty nice. And there it is. Now, or you can pinch these up. And that'll help hold it together better. And then just straighten out these sides. And there you are. 3-piece, 1-piece triangle equilateral box. Hope you enjoy. If you like it, let me know, would you? Appreciate it. And we'd love if you subscribed. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.